As a small business owner, you know that your hardware is the backbone of your company's operations. However, hardware issues can arise at any time, causing disruptions that can impact your bottom line. In this video, we'll discuss the top 5 hardware issues small businesses face and how to fix them. First, slow computers can be incredibly frustrating for employees and can reduce productivity. Upgrading hardware components such as RAM or hard drives, regularly running malware scans, and limiting the number of programs running at once can help fix this issue. Secondly, a reliable internet connection is vital for small businesses. Internet connectivity problems can arise due to various reasons such as outdated hardware or network congestion. Upgrading to a better router, moving the router closer to workstations, or contacting your internet service provider, ISP, for assistance can help fix this issue. Thirdly, printing problems can be a significant hindrance to productivity, especially in small businesses. Ensuring that your printer is regularly maintained, stocking up on ink and paper, and troubleshooting any connectivity issues can help fix printer problems. Fourthly, power outages can be disastrous for small businesses, leading to lost data, equipment damage, and potentially lost revenue. Investing in backup power solutions such as generators or uninterruptible power supply (UPS) systems can help fix this issue. Lastly, small businesses are often targeted by cybercriminals, making security breaches a significant concern. Installing antivirus software, conducting regular security audits, and educating employees on proper security protocols can help prevent security breaches. In conclusion, by being aware of these common hardware issues and how to fix them, small business owners can ensure that their operations remain efficient and productive. Regularly maintaining hardware and educating employees on proper protocols can prevent disruptions and ensure business continuity.